Talking about studying abroad. John and Judy are classmates at the university. They are talking about their plans after graduating. Hey, what are your plans after graduating?
I'm actually heading to Japan for further studies.
Wow, that's amazing. Which subject are you pursuing?
I'll be delving into culture and art at a university in Tokyo.
Why do you want to study abroad? We've got great programs here too.
I'm deeply fascinated by Japanese culture, its ancient history and traditions. Plus, I'm keen on exploring job opportunities overseas.
Can you speak Japanese?
Yes, but not fluently. I hope to overcome the language barrier once I'm there, engaging more with native speakers.
I hear that the cost of living in the capital is very expensive. Will your parents pay the living expenses and tuition fees for you?
My parents will cover the tuition fees. I have my own savings to pay the living expenses for the first few months, and plan to seek part-time work soon after settling.
Where are going to stay?
I may stay at the dorm for foreign students. I'm afraid that I can't afford money to rent a room outside.
I remember you have relatives living in Japan. Why don't you stay with them?
They're not in Tokyo, unfortunately.
Are you nervous about living alone in foreign land?
A little bit. Adjusting to a different culture and lifestyle is quite daunting.
I know. A lot of people feel like an outsider initially.
Absolutely. I hope I will adapt early. I've been trying to learn about Japan and the Japanese as much as possible.
Katie's brother returned from studying in Japan. He could offer some guidance.
Perfect. I'll catch up with Katie then.